Welcome to the first lesson in this course on how to make money online with ChatGPT. In this lesson, we're going to start by exploring exactly what ChatGPT is and how it works. If you're new to this technology, don't worry, you're not alone. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, and its primary function is to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Essentially, it reads and processes the information you provide, and then responds with well-formed, often conversational, answers. ChatGPT is powered by a language model known as GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and has been trained on a massive amount of text data to understand language patterns. Now, you might be wondering, how can a chatbot possibly be useful for making money online? The key to ChatGPT's potential lies in its ability to assist with a wide range of tasks that would otherwise require significant time and effort. From generating written content, crafting emails, writing marketing copy, or even brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT can handle it all. The incredible thing about this tool is how flexible it is. People are using ChatGPT to streamline and automate many processes across different industries, and you can take advantage of this to start earning online. But to truly understand ChatGPT's capabilities, it helps to know a bit about its history and evolution. The development of ChatGPT is part of a broader trend in AI technology, which has made huge leaps forward in recent years. Early chatbots were limited in their ability to understand and respond in natural language. However, today's AI models, like ChatGPT, have been trained on vast datasets, making them much more sophisticated. The GPT-4 version of ChatGPT that we're talking about in this course can not only generate text but also understand context, infer meaning, and even mimic certain writing styles or tones. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool in the hands of anyone looking to make money online, whether through content creation, automation, or other means. So why is ChatGPT such a game changer for online earning? For one, it significantly lowers the barriers to entry. You don't need to be a professional writer or have any specialized skills to start using ChatGPT effectively. All you need is an understanding of how to structure prompts and ask the right questions, and the AI will do much of the heavy lifting. Whether you're looking to get into freelancing, run a blog, or even create digital products, ChatGPT can become your virtual assistant, helping you generate content faster and with better quality than you could on your own. And the more you use it, the better you'll become at refining your prompts and getting exactly what you need from it. Another major reason ChatGPT is transforming the online business landscape is its accessibility. You don't need expensive software or years of technical expertise to start benefiting from it. With a simple account on OpenAI's platform, you have instant access to a tool that many people are using to automate tasks and even start whole businesses. You could be writing articles, creating marketing strategies, or brainstorming new business ideas in minutes. This tool can also adapt to your needs, learning from the types of tasks you assign it and becoming even more effective over time. In this course, you're going to learn how to harness the power of ChatGPT for your own financial gain. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've already dabbled in online work, the lessons ahead will show you practical ways to leverage this AI technology to start making money. As we progress, you'll see that ChatGPT is not just a tool for creating text, but a way to unlock opportunities you might not have considered before. Let's dive into the details in the next lessons and start exploring how you can turn ChatGPT into a profitable asset for yourself.